Hi everyone! Have you ever installed Raspberrypi OS Lite and wished you had a graphical interface? Maybe you started with the Lite version for its speed and minimal footprint, but now you need a desktop environment for easier interaction or specific applications. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to transform your Raspberrypi OS Bookworm Lite installation into a full-fledged desktop experience. It's simpler than you might think, and will get you up and running with a GUI in no time. Let's dive in. The process involves a few straightforward commands. First, ensure your Raspberry Pi is connected to the internet. This is crucial for downloading the necessary packages. Step 1. Update and upgrade your system. Before installing anything new, it's always a good practice to update your package lists and upgrade any existing software. Open your terminal. Type sudo apt update and press enter. This command fetches the latest information about available packages. Once that's done, type sudo apt full upgrade y and press enter. This command upgrades all your installed packages to their newest versions. The Y flag automatically confirms any prompts, saving you some keystrokes. This step might take a few minutes, depending on how long it's been since your last update and your internet speed. Be patient while it completes. Step 2. Choose your desktop environment. Raspberrypi OS Lite doesn't come with a desktop environment pre-installed. You have many options. The official Raspberrypi OS desktop is based on lxde or lxqt. For a similar experience, you can install lxde desktop or lxqt desktop. These are meta-packages that pull in all the necessary components for a complete desktop. lxde is generally lighter, while lxqt is a more modern successor. For this guide, let's go with lxqt desktop as it's the current default for the full version of Raspberrypi OS Bookworm. If you prefer a lighter, older option, lxde desktop works too. Step 3. Install the desktop environment. Now for the main event. In your terminal, type sudo apt install lxqt desktop y and press enter. This command will download and install all the packages required for the lxqt desktop environment. This is a large download, so it will take significant time, possibly 15 to 30 minutes or even longer, depending on your internet connection and the speed of your microSD card. You will see a lot of text scrolling by as packages are downloaded and installed. Just let it run until it finishes. If you chose lxde, the command would be sudo apt install lxde desktop y. Step 4. Configure boot to desktop, optional but recommended. After the installation is complete, you might want your Raspberry Pi to boot directly into the graphical desktop environment. You can do this using raspi-config. Type sudo raspi-config and press enter. Navigate to System Options, then boot/auto login. Here, select Desktop or Desktop Auto Login if you want to skip the login screen. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Once selected, press enter, then use the right arrow key to select Finish and press enter. It will ask if you want to reboot. Select Yes. Step 5. Reboot your Raspberry Pi. If you didn't reboot through raspi-config, you can do it manually. Type sudo reboot and press enter. Your Raspberry Pi will now restart. Step 6. Log in and enjoy your desktop. After rebooting, instead of seeing the command line, you should now be greeted by the graphical login screen or directly by the lxqt desktop, depending on your raspi-config settings. Use your default username, which is usually Pi, and your password. If you haven't changed it, the default password is Raspberry. Congratulations! You now have a fully functional desktop environment on your Raspberrypi OS Bookworm Lite installation. You can now use a web browser, file manager, and all the graphical applications you need, just like a regular desktop computer. And there you have it. Installing a desktop environment on Raspberrypi OS Bookworm Lite is straightforward when you know the steps. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more Raspberry Pi tutorials and tech tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.